Hi guys, welcome to the short video about hashtags on YouTube. Yeah, most people probably haven't heard about that, at least I haven't heard about that. I was really surprised to see that. I just used it by chance. I just added a hashtag, or actually it was within a copied text, and so it was added automatically to my video. I was really surprised. I did a little bit of research. I found out there is some support information about that. There's not a lot which you can find online, but there's a video from YouTube. I think that's an official video from YouTube about that, but it's only about 2 minutes and 1 minute of content, so there's almost nothing to see about that. This is from 2018, so I was wondering how long this has been around. So I'm going to show you a little bit more than in this video. So here are the findings on Google Trends. You can see it has started around 2010 and then spiked a little bit and still going up, so it looks like people are using that. I haven't been aware of that. I've never seen this. I've never heard about that. Would be really interesting to learn from you if you are using this thing or not. So I'm going to show you how this works. This is one of my latest videos and you can see there's nothing. So to use that we have to go into the edit mode of this video. So I'm going down here a little bit below the text and information, and so I'm adding here the hashtag Epabina, which is the manufacturer. I'm also saying LED and maybe LED strip lights, something like that, just trying a little bit around. The thing is that of course there are no spaces available. You could probably use underlines or underscores, so I have added these 3 things. I hit OK, and now you can see how it's changing this. So here we have the normal URL and the video, and when we go down a little bit we see something new which usually is not around, and here we have these 3 hashtags which we added now, and you can click on them and find other videos about the same brand. You can see there's nothing here, but maybe there's more when we click on LED strip lights. Let's see if we find something. Yeah, here we see some, probably a lot of reviews, information about that, and so you can see other content creators are using that too. I don't know how many are using them. It just says 404 videos, 291 channels, so probably it's not a lot, and I don't know how useful this is. I've just started. I didn't see a lot of change regarding views or so. I don't know if it's helpful, but of course if you're using that you have to follow the rules. Again, that's here in the description of YouTube. There's one part, finding videos using hashtag, then add hashtags to your video, and then hashtag use policies. Of course it's similar to normal keywords. You're definitely not allowed to misuse or so, no hate speech, no harassment, and those things, yeah, like pretty much normal. But yeah, it would be really interesting to learn from you if you're using that as a viewer or as a content creator. Just let me know down in the feedback area. Would be really interesting to learn from you if you're using that or not. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things, and if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.